Hi students, in this lecture class we are going to discuss about the signal operation. In the last class videos we have discussed about the signal, types of signal and simple operation we can done on the signal. Okay, so in this class we are going to see about the signal operation. The signal operation plays an important role as well as the central concept in the analysis of signals and system. Signal operations are classified as operation performed on independent variable and operation performed on dependent variable. In the last class itself I have explained what is independent variable and what is dependent variable. Considered a signal, okay, considered a sine waveform. The information is contained in the amplitude. The amplitude depends upon the particular time instant. So the amplitude is a dependent variable and the time is an independent variable. Okay, now we are going to see different operation that can be done on independent variable and the dependent variable. First we will see the operation performed on independent variable. So in this operation of independent variable, first what we are going to see is the shifting. We know that independent variable is time t. Okay, so we are going to perform shifting operation, scaling operation, reversal operation. So if you are performing shifting operation in time domain, then it is said to be time shifting. We are performing scaling in time variable, it is said to be time scaling. Reversal, it is said to be the time reversal. First we will see one by one. First we will see what is time shifting. This time shifting occur in many real-time application. For example, in any long-range two-way communication system, there is a delay. That is the time taken by the signal to reach the receiver from the transmitter. If x of t is the signal to be transmitted, then this is the transmitted signal and the received signal is x of t minus t naught at some delay time. We are discussing in Gmeet, right? So if you are not having a proper signal, that is proper tower in your mobile phone and data is not getting, so what you will have a delay in hearing the speech, right? That is referred to as time shifting here. That is, I am talking at 11 o'clock. You are hearing that voice at 11 0.0101. So that is the delay. Okay, so here where t naught is the delay. Okay, this may be in real time, we may not get it in advance, but in some system we can get both x of t plus t naught, that is x of t minus t naught and x of t plus t naught. So this t naught represent the delay. Okay, and this is the original signal and this is the time shifted version of the signal. Okay, so this represent this, if t naught is positive, here this t naught is positive, right? Here this t naught is positive, which means that it is left shifted and it is advanced. The signal